Box while kumakain sila. Kuya, help him, kuya!
Today, we watched a movie called Storybug. It's
Here, kuya.
yeah.
Good morning! Today is your
School.
first day of school. Hi there, Nate. Good morning. Say good morning.
It's my first day of school.
Are you excited? Okay, eat your food. Yum, yum. Yeah. So, hello guys. Good morning. Ayan, so may dumating kahapon. Ano ba yan? Parang ano. So, Box while kumakain sila. Unbox muna tayo ng ano, kasi late na to. Dapat kahapon ko pa to bubuksan, kaso lang very late na. Ayan, so ito yung kanilang lunch box. Bakit parang ano. Ayan, ito na lang. Ayan, so ito yung lunch box, guys. Ayan, ang kanilang lunch box. Ito pa yung isa. Ayan. So ito ay, ano ito? Cooler. Ayan, so another lunch box kasi tag-isa silang dalawa. Ayan siya. Parang pareho yata. Parang pareho lang, guys. Bakit parang ano? Ayan siya. Dito na lang. Dati yung lunchbox ni Clint is ano lang siya, maliit. Ayan, so. Ayan siya, guys. Meron siyang fork. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo ano mamaya. Ayan siya. So, meron na din siyang fork. Ayan siya, ganun siya pagkalagay, guys. So, ayan. So, yan siya. And then, ito naman, yung kanyang, go eat, kuya! Ito naman ay ito yung lagayan ng kanyang lunch. Ayan. So, meron si Clint nito, pero ano siya, dinosaur. So, ayan siya, guys. Tapos, ito yung kay Clint dati. May dalawang water bottle. So, binigay ito galing sa school. Ayan. For lunch naman ay gagawan ko lang sila ng Nutella sandwich. Ayan, with Hawaiian bread. Tapos, magkakat ako ng isang apple. So, ayan, ready na yung lunch nila, guys. Tapos, ito yung water bottle nila. Parang half lang to, more than half. And then, lalagyan ko siya ng sticker. na may pangalan nila. Yung mga kaklase nila is meron yan. So, kahit magkapalit-palit, okay lang. Ay. So, lalagyan ko siya. Buti na lang may sticker dito. So, ayan. Kasi pareho sila. So, kahit mahalo siya sa ibang water bottle doon sa school. Ayan. So, may pangalan na siya. So, ito yung lunch nila mamaya with juice. And then, for snacks, water lang at saka goldfish. Ayan. Ayan siya. So, close na natin. So, pareho lang sila, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yata. Ayan. Dito natin ilalagay yung kay Nathan Boy. So, this is for your lunch, Nate. And then, juice. So, ito naman sa snacks, lalagay ko dito ang goldfish. Ayan. So, dalawa. Ayan na guys, ang water bottle. Tapos dito lang sa side pocket niya, nilagay ko yung goldfish para sa snacks. And then, ayan yan. Tapos yung lunch naman ay nasa loob na. Ayan. So, are you ready to go to school?
Yes.
Okay, now put your backpack on. Jesus! How about Clinton? So, waiting sila sa school bus ngayon, guys. Ayan, kasi wala pa yung school bus nila. And then, dito lang sila sa loob kasi umuulan. Ayan. So, dati, si Nathan, nakatingin lang yan siya sa kuya niya pag sumasakay ng bus. Ngayon, kasama na siya. Hi there, Nate.
Hi.
Look at mommy.
Yeah.
Are you ready to go to school?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
good luck.
Some of the kindergarten things at third grade, guess what?
What?
There's one thing, and I cannot do it, but I'm not as small as Clint, so when I have to grow bigger.
Yeah.
Look how tall Clint is to do it.
Clinton is tall already, right?
Yeah, but I'm only 4 inches taller than him.
Look!
Yeah,
Yep.
I'm only a head taller than him.
Jesus,
Cut off
watch
my-
out. You're excited. He's very excited.
Wait, how is he that excited? So excited.
Very exciting. It's raining, kuya. Oh, boy. So, waiting kami ngayon sa school bus. Ayan, guys. So, umuulan. Okay. Okay, it's good. Oh my God! Papasok na ang bunso namin.
When does the bus start? Honey, I'll come here in like 2, maybe 2.
Ayun yung dalawa doon, guys. So, nagpapaulan. Jesus, are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Jesus! So, pareho yan sila naka-ano, guys. Dinosaur shirt. Let me see yours, kuya. Ayan. Pareho yan sila naka-dinosaur. Let me see yours, Nate. Ayan, si Nathan din naka-dinosaur.
So, Flintstone.
Dapat pala naka-Spider-Man siya ng t-shirt kasi Spider-Man din yung backpack niya. Oh boy.
Yeah.
Dinosaur kasi yung shoes niya eh. Ayan oh. So okay lang na naka-dinosaur t-shirt siya. And si Clint, hindi pa dumating yung backpack niya. So darating na yun mamaya. Oh my God! Lakas ng ulan.
I thought you can't see rain on a phone.
So, ayan guys. Kumuha ako ng raincoat nila. Ayan si Clint. Let me see your bag, kuya. Ayan. So, kumuha ako ng raincoat nila. Kasi para hindi sila mabasa.
The bus is coming.
Bus is coming? Kuya, help him, kuya. Nate, go, Nate, run, Nate, run. Kuya, help him, kuya. So, nakasakay na sila sa bus, guys. Naiiyak ako. Bye-bye! Ayan na sila. Ayan yung bus. Nandiyan na sila, kuya at bunso, guys. Oh, parating na sila. Ayan na yung bus. Pauwi na yung mga baby ko. Ayan na sila. How's your first day of school?
I watched this funny movie. It's where, but there's one part where,
Wait, what's it called? Sugar bugs?
Sugar bugs.
story bugs.
Oh,
I
my
thought you
baby,
said
give me a
sugar
kiss. Mwah, kuya. Mwah. How's your school today?
Good.
Tell me, Nate.
Today we watched a movie called Story Bugs. It's so funny. Popcorn fell on the bad guy's head,
Mm-hmm.
and it defeated him.
What else did you do today?
We made some snakes.
Play-Doh, right?
Yeah, and then we made a fin snake that was super long. That's supposed to be very long, and a fat
Who's
snake.
the longest snake?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Okay, how about Clinton? Wait a minute, Nate.
So we just went over the rules and we played bingo
Okay.
and we had recess. We were
played with
like
toys.
doing this thing where you get a sheet of paper and you write one word that describes you, and you can also draw pictures to like explain it some kind of.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, did you cry today? No cry today?
No.
But I saw this one girl crying.
Oh, no. Oh, dahil mababait sila at walang umiyak, si Mami lang ang umiyak. Si Mami ang umiyak. So, this one,
He's smaller.
this for you, Nate. So, dahil mabait sila, may bubuksan sila. And, for Clinton, here, kuya.
Why are there so many volcanoes?
You need help? Kuya, you wanna help him, kuya?
Yes.
Okay, here.
Let's see. The whole thing is wrapped. That's the tape. The tape. Ah.
Careful.
Let's open it.
Wait, let me see how you meant to open it.
Now, here, kuya. Ooh. Open it. Grab it. Oh, dinosaur. Nice. Okay, look at the instruction.
Wow.
Are you gonna make this one?
Yeah.
Okay, open yours, kuya.
Wait, Nathan, so it's easiest to hardest? So see how that works? Look.
No, no, no.
But
Ah,
you start
I'm
here,
on
Nathan.
So, yan guys, ay ano pa yan siya? Birthday gift na ni Nathan na hindi ko, tinago ko lang muna kasi pag nabuksan nila parang hindi na nila pinapansin. So, parang hanggang unboxing lang sila. Kaya, tinago ko muna yung iba. So, ngayon, ito yung time na, kaya ngayon ko lang siya binigay. Kasi deserve naman nila kasi ang babait nila. Walang iyak, si Mami lang ang umiyak. Ang Mami lang ang umiyak. I miss you, Nathan and Clinton. I miss both of you. I miss my boys.
Yeah,
And this is for Clinton.
This is one.
That's a lot. Use the box.
Oh, I want
Here, Kuya. You can build there. Box. And Nathan is building too. Wow.
What piece I made?
Hmm?
Where's the piece I made?
Wow.
I don't know.
You doing good with that?
Volcano.
Very nice, Nate.
Pieces missing.
How about you, Kuya?
Yeah, I'm still working on my Legos.
Oh.
Next.
Yeah, you still have a lot here.
Now this is a big piece.
Yeah.
Wait, look. Look how squishy it is. This isn't even a Lego.
There's something I want to do.
Very nice.
You can do it.
That's very nice, Nate.
What can I do? Yes. Okay.
So, ayan guys, natapos niya. Gabi na. Tapos na kami mag-dinner at natapos na ni Kuya Glenn. So, how you can play with that, Kuya?
Hold on. Let me get people.
Why, Mr. Sun?
Oh, that's so cute. How you can play with that?
So,
How you can turn that around?
so how you if you're wondering why there's so many gears, it's if you twist this, they're meant to move.
Yeah. Wow.
Well, some of them are
So cute.
some of them are having technical difficulties right now, and they're not working for some reason.
Oh.
Then I can just spin this one too. I found
Wow. You did a great job, Kuya.
You get to spin them both.
this. Yeah, it falls out easily.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do spin them both.
You can fix
And
that
this
again.
part
How
is
about Nathan?
What? Hammer.
Nathan,
There.
show me your work.
That's actually
That
mine,
one.
but
Ayan guys, so ang kalat. Pero
I,
okay lang yan. Ang importante
yeah,
may libangan yung dalawa.
I got it to work again. Wait, what?
I'm gonna make my work now. Okay now.
And this goes round and round. And then Pikachu goes back and forth, and Lulu goes up
Oh,
and
that's
down.
so cute. Kalat na namin guys. Oh. Ang kalat ng room nila.
Look, they can fight. Look.
Tapos ko na ayusin yan.
Bill.
Okay na, bedtime now.
They can do
Say bye na, Nate. Nate, say bye na.
Bye.
Flying kiss. Say good night.
Good night.
Oh, don't you- Oh, shush. Bedtime. Say good night,
Good
everyone.
night, anyone.
Anyone. Say good night, Kuya.
Good night.
Good
Good
night.
night.
I like your
then look,
Lego.
this can
It's
move.
very cute.
And this one is like a squishy one.